Here is the tutorial for how I am using configs for Bloodstrike Mobile. Scroll down in the description and click on the download link. I prefer to use Chrome to open it. Follow the tasks to get to AppCadmin. Ignore the ads by clicking on the cross. Wait a few seconds. Ignore this by clicking the back button of our phone and don't download any APK. Now click on Start Download. Open with Mount Manager or ZArchiver. By clicking on the three-dot menu, you tap on Modi Select to mark all files, copy them, and follow these steps. Go to this folders and file paths. Replace the folder with the downloaded ones by clicking on Apply to all files and finally on Replace. All done. Now you can enjoy the game.